Today I am looking to change the wiper blade inserts on my 2013 Honda Accord LX sedan. By wiper blade inserts, I mean it's not the whole blade assembly, but essentially just the rubber portion here. So here is what I have done. I've put cardboard under this. I mean, you can put anything really. Sponge, cardboard, anything you have handy to make sure that this metal portion will not drop on the windshield, won't crack the windshield. There's something of a cushion in between it. So with that said, how to remove this wiper blade from the arm is you got a little bit of a pin here. You see this here. Now push it up, align the blade horizontal, and then basically move this whole thing easily out of the way. It slides out like this. To take the wiper insert out of the assembly, let's look at a couple things. Here you'll see that the wiper insert is held firmly by these two clasps, the plastic clasps that kind of go in a little groove area here, and that's on this side. And then if I move this over a little bit, you'll see this another set of clasps which are right here. So this is a more open one. They all hold the wiper insert in that little channel that we have here. To take the wiper insert off, look for the closed end of the insert. So here we are. You can see this channel is closed on this side. If I move this over here, you'll notice that on the other side it is open. So this is an open one. So we're gonna grab the wiper insert from the closed end and just pull it. Next thing I'm going to do is slide the wiper blade out of those grooves that are here. So grab it from one side and just pull. Alright. And what we're looking for, these are the metal rods that keep the wiper insert in place. You can take them out, one and the other. So here's my old wiper blade. It goes away. And here's my new one. So the new blade is a little bit grayish color, and I'm going to take one of these rods, position it here in this groove, and make sure that the whole rod easily fits in the groove. Go. Nice. Now on the other side, do the same thing. Position it like this, and it goes in the groove. Push that here. So now we have a firm wiper blade insert that doesn't bend because of the metal rods that are in it. Next step, we're going to insert this back into the wiper blade. On the wiper blade, there is a channel here, and what we're going to do is make sure that the grooves here fit that channel and keep the blade in place as we insert it like this. So once it's done, we're gonna have our wiper blade ready to go back here. So before we insert the wiper blade, one thing to keep note of is the closed side stays at the bottom portion of the blade. So however you're inserting it, in my case, it's going to be like this. So the lower portion needs to have a closed loop. so that the blade does not come out. It will stop it from just coming out when it's moving on the windshield. Let's do this so I can do that while the phone is still there. Okay, and now making sure it goes through these set of grooves. Okay, so this is complete. One thing I want to point out is to make sure that your blade is completely firmly in place. Is the blade has grooves on this side. You notice here, so there's a little bit of indentation in the wiper blade, the rubber blade, and you'll notice that this casing is firmly in place. It's holding it together on both sides, so that the blade, the wiper blade, the rubber blade will not come off from the casing. So now that we have the new wiper insert installed in the assembly, we're gonna put it back on the vehicle. And very easy thing to do is just align it correctly here and push this thing upward. So you're gonna hear a click. There you go. And now this is firmly in place. We're gonna do the same thing with the other wiper insert to replace that one.